How to run multiple Roblox accounts at once on mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to run multiple Roblox accounts at once on mobile. First, navigate to the Roblox app on your mobile phone. Now, log in or sign up for your account on Roblox. Here, tap on More at the bottom line. Then, go to the App Store and use the search bar to search for Parallel Space. Next, locate the app with the same logo as on the screen. After that, install the app and open the app. Hit the Continue button and you can get a 3-day free trial. Finally, add Roblox in Parallel Space to use multiple accounts at the same time on your phone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.